I've been asked to make a very important announcement that there is mulled wine at the bar. So please go and, well, don't all go at once, otherwise there won't be anybody here. But there is mulled wine. I'm going to have some after I finish. Please, there's plenty there. I'm Mandy Woods. This is, did you hear any of that? I just realised. Okay. This is June Caravel, who's very kindly offered to come and sing and play bass for me this evening. So it's a bit spontaneous, but we'll do what we can. This is a new song of mine. It's called Never Meant to Be.
Never show the truth of how I feel about you. Never let the love that I feel surround you. Some things I never meant to be. You'll never know I'm head over heels about you. How many times I speak about you. How many nights I dream about you. For some things I never meant to be. It hurts to want something so much. Longing is almost in touch, but I cannot lose my grip on what's a dream and what is real. Some things I never meant to be. I'll never know how it feels to kiss you. Losing you would be too much to risk. So I'll never get to tell you how much I missed you. For some things I never meant to be. It hurts to want something so much. The longing is almost there to touch, but I cannot lose my grip on what's a dream and what is real. Some things are never meant to be. Wedding ring is there for all to see, so disappointment's all that's here for me. Desire that can never be revealed. Oh, some things are never meant to be. I'll never know